Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Champagne. Today I'm going to be doing a quick cash stuffing to catch me up. I haven't cash stuffed in 2 weeks, so I'm going to just run through this before the day gets away from me. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. I truly appreciate your taking your time. Please consider hitting that subscribe button and let me know this is your first video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. So we're going to start off by emptying my cash envelopes for the week. I last stuffed, I believe, 2 weeks ago. So let's see what was left in here then. So we have 5, 10, 11, 12. So $12 in gas. In food, we have 15. Beauty is empty. I did get my hair done, so it wiped my beauty envelope out. And spending, we have $5. So let's see what we had left over total. So we have 10, 15, 20, 5, 30, 1, and $32. I also put the money that I would have used for the last 2 weeks for my food and spending because I didn't have time to use any of it. So I put that aside as well and kind of broke it down to smaller bills. And so I will be adding all that for my savings challenges. So my next video will have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 75, 85, 95, 100, 5, 10, 11, 12. So $112 that we'll be able to play with for the savings challenges. So going back to gas, I always give myself $100. I am a hospice nurse and drive around everywhere. And so I do go through quite a bit of gas some weeks. So we're going to put that 100 in there. Food, I always give myself $25 a week. That's if I want to stop and get coffee or a snack or anything like that. I do take food and snacks with me on the road. But this is just in case I want to stop for lunch, meet a friend, or anything like that. Beauty gets $25 every week, and so I do want to still stuff the 25 from the last 2 weeks, so beauty will be getting $75 today. So we have a 20, 40, whoops, 60, 75. So again, 20, 40, 60, 75. So $75 in beauty. Beauty rolls over. I use this for my hair. I get my hair done every 3 months, as well as any, hygiene products or anything like that. So beauty has 75 now. Spending, I give myself $15 a week. So if I want to stop and pick up anything, I do have extra money. I am on a low spend year, but I don't want to just not give myself money because I know that I'll fail and I'll end up swiping my card more. This money that I need to go put back in the bank. So that is my cash envelopes. So moving on to my dated funds. These are things that I save up throughout the year that come up yearly or every other year. First is going to be my car registration, and my car registration will be getting $20 today. So we have 100, 200, 20, 30, 40. So we are almost close to this being done, and then I will need to pay it next month. My nursing license renews every other year. This year is the year that it will renew, and so this will get $10. So we have 100, 200, 10, 25. So 225 towards my nursing renewal. This is due in October. Moving, so we actually signed another year lease, so we will not be moving, but I will keep this money there, and I will slowly put money in for next year because I think we'll be moving next year, but I've been saying that for the last 2 years, so we'll see. I'd like to have that money there just in case. My P.O. box is going to be getting $18 today. I do have a P.O. box for Happy Mail and for my small business. So I pay for 6 months and then I get a 7th month free, which is nice, works out for me. So we have 50, 60, 75, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, and 94. So $94 going towards my P.O. box. Amazon Prime gets paid the 1st of January. So Amazon Prime will be getting 6 today. So we now have 20, 35, 41, and 42. So $42 going towards Amazon Prime. You will notice in some of my envelopes there is prop money. So I've decided that at the end of every month, I'm going to transfer the money to my high yield interest account, high yield savings account on Ally, so that I can earn interest. It's going to be sitting here until I use it, so I might as well make money off of it. So you will notice the prop money being switched out every month. Then we're going to move into my revolving envelopes. These are ones that I go into more regularly. So first we have family fun. I use this for anything that I do with my family. Sometimes we have barbecues, we go to like SeaWorld together, things like that. I will take it out of here, or if we have family dinners, I'll take it out of here. So today we will be putting 30. So we now have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So 100 for family fun. Birthdays is going to be getting 30. So birthdays now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 10, 25. So 125 in birthdays. I'm a little away from birthdays right now, but in a couple months, I'll have a whole bunch of birthdays come at once. Medical is fully funded at $500. That is in my Ally account. Clothes will not be getting anything. I have $110 in clothes right now, but there's nothing I need at the moment. I'm focused on car maintenance because I'm going to need an oil change, brakes, and tires. And so I'm just putting the money that I would normally put for clothes with car maintenance. So my car maintenance is actually going to be getting $50 today. So 20, 40, and 50. So in my car maintenance, we have 20, 40, 60, oops, let me start that again. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 92, 10, 25. So $225. I am coming up on needing an oil change. So once I get around to getting that taken care of, then you will see this being less, obviously. So there's that. And then support small will be getting 15. I am going to put this into my cash envelopes to go back to the bank because I already purchased some items from Etsy. So I'm going to put that back to pay back my credit card. So we'll put this back here. I mentioned it in my last savings challenge video. I am doing a giveaway right now. It's actually in my community tab for Ren over at Mischief Managed Budgets for an item off her Etsy shop. They are super cute. So I will be closing that on Friday. So if you're interested, please head over there and follow the rules and enter. All right, that is the last of my cash envelopes. I am caught up. Hopefully I can stick to it. So I thank you so much for coming. I truly appreciate you guys, and I will see you for my next savings challenge video. Bye.